coming to you from the 4th grade classroom at Anthem Christian School. And I just want to welcome you to 4th grade and let you know how we're going to do our distant learning this year. But first, I wanted to just talk to you about what our classroom theme is going to be like. Does anybody have a guess? If you guessed rainforest or sloths, you would be correct. I love sloths. They're one of my favorite animals, and I think they're a unique animal and they have unique characteristics. And so I want to think about sloths this year and that uniqueness that they have, because God created us in a unique way, and we're starting this year in a unique way. The Bible says, "I praise you because I'm fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well." Well, we are wonderful, and we're going to start this year in a unique way, but it's going to be a wonderful year. So I wanted to also let you know a little bit about myself. I've lived in many places around the world. I now call California my home. I married my husband in 1996. We have a beautiful daughter that is going to be in the 8th grade this year. I graduated from Bethany College, and I have a liberal studies teacher education degree. I love 4th grade, and I love the independence and responsibility that they have and that they're discovering about themselves. So as we go into distance learning, I wanted to introduce our class mascot, Sonic. He's here to talk to us about obedience, respect, responsibility, and safety. And as we do distance learning, all the guidelines are going to follow under our Anthem rules. First of all, we're going to be promptly meeting at 9 a.m. every single day. I will be taking attendance and tardy, so please be on time and please be ready to learn with all the supplies that you will need for that day. You can check the Schoology, our new platform that we're going to be using for all the assignments needed, and you'll have weekly work packets that you'll be picking up on Fridays or Monday morning. So most importantly is I want you to stay on schedule. Make sure that you are keeping up with what we're doing and not getting behind or going ahead. We want to make sure that we're doing the school thing together. So I hope to see you at our open house, where you'll be able to pick up all of your books and all of the first week packet of work. I'm looking forward to hanging out with you, and I will see you at open house or on the first day of school.